everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel and another weekly plan with me. This week is for the 3rd of September through to the 9th of September. And I'm using this kit from Claire Bear Prints. It's the first full week of spring here this week. So I'm using the Spring Rain kit, which is absolutely stunning. It's all these beautiful pastel but bright, if that makes sense, colors. So you have that beautiful pink, that soft Tiffany blue, that periwinkle almost purple, and lots of beautiful, beautiful florals. So those are the full boxes, checklists, headers and half boxes, icons, little things, and bottom washi, and then the scallop checklists, scallop boxes, and the weekend banner. And I also have the deco sheet that goes along with this kit. It's not included, but it's very inexpensive to add on, and our kits are very, very inexpensively priced too, considering they are brilliant quality. Look at all that gorgeous, gorgeous deco. I've been hanging out for the first week of spring so I can finally use this kit. I'm very, very excited about this week. I have these two washies that I think match nicely. So this one is from the GP Studio. It's just very similar sort of colours as to the kit with rose gold foil. And this one is from Washi Tape Australia. I'm not sure about this one. The blue's a bit too bright and it's gold foiled, but we shall see about that. And then I'm probably going to use some of the pink Simply Gilded floral that I have a sample of here with the rose gold bows. My camera just isn't interested in focusing today, so that's really pretty. I think that looks really nice with this kit, so probably use some of that. And I'll probably also use some of my pinks and purples, and possibly my light blues. We shall see.